Laundry day, the eternal chore that keeps your wardrobe fresh and your life humming along. But when it's time to upgrade your washer-dryer, the choice between gas and electric can feel like a high-stakes showdown. Both options have their strengths, their quirks, and their hidden costs. Whether you're a budget-conscious homeowner, an eco-warrior, or just someone who wants dry clothes fast, this decision matters. Gas-powered units promise efficiency and speed, while electric models offer simplicity and versatility. So, how do you pick the right one for your home? Let's dive into a detailed comparison across energy source, cost, energy efficiency, installation, and more to help you make an informed choice. Energy source. The core difference between gas and electric washer-dryers lies in their power source, and this sets the stage for everything else. Gas washer-dryers use natural gas or propane to heat the dryer, though they still need electricity to power the control panel, drum rotation, and washer functions. This dual energy setup means you're tapping into your home's gas line for the heavy lifting of drying clothes, while electricity handles the rest. Electric washer-dryers, on the other hand, are all in on electricity. Both the washer and dryer rely on your home's electrical system, with the dryer typically requiring a beefy 240-volt outlet for its heating element. This fundamental difference impacts everything from installation to operating costs, and it's the first thing to consider when choosing. If your home is already set up for gas, you're halfway to making the choice. But if you're in an all-electric home, the decision might already be made for you. Cost. Money talks, and when it comes to washer-dryers, the cost conversation has two parts: upfront price and long-term operating expenses. Gas washer-dryers generally come with a higher initial price tag, often $100 to $200 more than their electric counterparts. A typical gas washer-dryer combo might set you back $800 to $1,500, depending on features like capacity or smart technology. Electric models, by contrast, are more budget-friendly up front, ranging from $600 to $1,300 for similar specs. However, the operating costs flip the script. Gas dryers tend to be cheaper to run in areas where natural gas prices are lower than electricity rates. For example, drying a load with gas might cost 15 to 20 cents per load in regions with affordable gas, while electric dryers could run 30 to 40 cents per load, depending on local utility rates. Over years of use, these savings can add up, potentially offsetting the higher purchase price. Your local utility costs will be the deciding factor here, so it's worth crunching the numbers for your area. Energy efficiency. When it comes to energy efficiency, gas washer-dryers often have the edge, especially for the drying process. Gas dryers heat up faster and use less energy overall to dry a load, thanks to the direct combustion of gas. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, gas dryers can be up to 20 to 30% more efficient than standard electric dryers in terms of energy consumption for drying. However, electric dryers have made strides with newer technologies, like heat pump dryers, which recycle heat to cut energy use significantly. These high-efficiency electric models can rival or even surpass gas dryers in energy savings, but they come at a premium price. For washers, both gas and electric models use electricity, so their efficiency depends more on the machine's design. Look for Energy Star certification for the best performance. If you're aiming to lower your energy bills and your home supports gas, a gas dryer might be the smarter pick, but don't overlook advanced electric models if efficiency is your priority. Installation. Installation can make or break your washer-dryer decision, as the two types have vastly different requirements. Gas washer-dryers need a natural gas or propane line, a 120-volt electrical outlet for the washer and controls, and a venting system to expel combustion gases from the dryer. If your home already has a gas line and proper venting, installation is straightforward, costing around $100, $300 for professional hookup. But if you need to install a gas line or upgrade ventilation, costs can soar to $1,000 or more, making it a pricey proposition. Electric washer dryers are simpler. The washer needs a standard 120-volt outlet, and the dryer requires a 240-volt outlet, which most homes already have or can easily add for $200 to $500. Some electric dryers, particularly heat pump models, don't even need venting, further simplifying setup. If your home lacks a gas line, electric is the path of least resistance. Always hire a professional for gas installations to ensure safety. Drying speed. When you're racing against a pile of wet laundry, drying speed matters. Gas dryers shine here as they heat up faster and dry clothes more quickly than most electric models. A typical gas dryer can dry a standard load in 30 to 40 minutes, while a standard electric dryer might take 45 to 60 minutes for the same load. This speed comes from the intense, direct heat of gas combustion, which outperforms the slower heating electric elements. However, high-end electric dryers with advanced sensors or heat pump technology can narrow the gap, drying almost as fast while using less energy. If you're doing multiple loads a day or just hate waiting, a gas dryer's speed could be a game changer. For occasional laundry warriors, the difference might not be as noticeable. Maintenance. Maintenance is where gas and electric washer dryers diverge in terms of effort and cost. Gas units require more attention because of their dual systems. You'll need to regularly check the gas line for leaks, ensure the venting system is clear of lint to prevent blockages or fire hazards, and service the burner components. Repairs for gas dryers can be pricier, often $150, $300 due to the complexity of gas-related parts. Electric washer dryers are simpler, with maintenance focused on electrical components like heating elements or motors. These repairs are typically cheaper, around $100 to $200, and there's no need to worry about gas leaks or ventilation. Both types require regular cleaning of lint filters and drums to maintain efficiency. If you prefer low-maintenance appliances, electric models have a slight edge, but proper care keeps either type running smoothly for years. Safety. Safety is a critical factor, especially with gas appliances. Gas washer dryers carry risks of gas leaks or carbon monoxide buildup if the venting system is blocked or poorly maintained. Installing carbon monoxide detectors and scheduling annual inspections are non-negotiable to keep your home safe. Electric washer dryers have fewer safety concerns, with risks limited to electrical issues like faulty wiring or overloaded circuits. Both types can pose fire risks if lint accumulates, so regular cleaning is essential. If you're in a rental or a home without a gas setup, electric models eliminate the worry of gas-related hazards. For gas users, proper installation and vigilance are key to safe operation. Lifespan. Both gas and electric washer dryers typically last 10 to 15 years with proper care, but their components age differently. Gas dryers may face more wear on their burners and gas valves, which can require servicing sooner than electric components. Electric dryers, with simpler heating elements, often have fewer parts to fail, potentially extending their lifespan slightly. Washers in both setups are electrically powered, so their durability depends on build quality, not energy source. Regular maintenance, like cleaning lint traps and avoiding overloading, extends the life of either type. Investing in a reputable brand and following care guidelines ensures you get the most out of your machine. In the end, choosing between gas and electric washer dryers comes down to your home's setup, budget, and priorities. Gas offers faster drying and lower operating costs in gas-friendly regions, but it demands careful installation and maintenance. Electric models are cheaper up front, simpler to install, and eco-friendly with the right energy source, but they may cost more to run and dry slower. Check your local utility rates, assess your home's infrastructure, and weigh speed versus simplicity. Whether you're Team Gas or Team Electric, a well-chosen washer-dryer will keep your laundry game strong for years to come.